Hi, I'm Matthew Green. I'd like to introduce to you the newest innovation from Magswitch technology. We have here a Magswitch MagDrill Disruptor 30 that's been outfitted with smart technology which allows for enhanced safety features for the user. So this system is very intuitive and easy to use. You'll notice the LED light here. It's either going to be red or green. Red means that we do not have a safe condition in which to drill. Green means that it is safe to drill. You'll notice here that the magnets are connected to the brains of this unit. They do communicate with each other. In order for the light to turn to green, two conditions have to be met. The magnet has to be fully actuated into the on position, as well as the magnet has to have sufficient grip on the material that you're drilling into. If it doesn't have strong enough grip, the brains of the unit will sense that, and it will not turn green, and it will not let you turn the unit on. Only when both those conditions have been met and the light is green will the drill turn on. So the other condition, other than red or green, you'll notice here the LED is yellow. This will happen in one of two cases. Here you can see I've got the magnets hanging off of the piece that I'm drilling on, but I have enough magnets on there that I have enough solid grip, so the drill will turn on. The other instance where this can happen is if we're drilling on thinner material. As the material gets thinner, the magnets don't get as strong of grip. Yellow means we're safe to drill, but we're approaching the point at which the drill could break away. If it does break away, this light will automatically turn red and the drill will shut off. And next I'm going to demonstrate for you what happens if, while you're drilling, the magnet breaks away from the material that you're drilling on. You can see now that our LED light is green, so the magnet's going to turn on. I'm going to go ahead and turn this drill on and begin to drill, and then I'm going to use this cheater bar over the handle to apply more force and forcibly break this drill away so you can see that it will shut the motor off immediately.